at the horsepower factory in we're doing some push rod stuff today. Hope you're ready for all this. All right, guys, so here we go. I know you guys remember Mark from the track video. Gave me a pretty good beat to get the track last year. But you got a new combo going. So what are we working with now?
It's a Dart SHP block 363.
Oh, okay.
It's got a Eagle crank, scout rods, SRP pistons, custom grind BD&T racing camshaft.
Nice.
Victor Junior intake, Pro Systems carburetor. It's just a basic, simple setup, off-shelf stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, but drivable.
Oh, it's
very drivable.
It's completely drivable, yes.
Oh man, I love it. I'm super pumped. So what's your guess today? What's it gonna make?
I'm thinking it's gonna be 460, 470.
Okay. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. But yeah, guys, we're getting her strapped down now, and this is the horsepower factory. Yeah, just making sure I had that right. But we're on a Mustang dyno, which most people say they're a little tight. Right. Which that was what my car was on too. So. All right, boys, we're getting her all set up. Like I said, we're on a Mustang dyno. And I gotta say, Mark's like the only other hatch guy besides me. Everybody else has got notches. But we're still out here doing work with the hatchbacks. Little shot of the engine. Guys, if we didn't mention, the car does have Edelbrock Victor Jr. heads on it. Got the strange brakes. Little fuel system action. Mark, I caught you. You got a zip tie you didn't cut in here.
You see a lot of
up a little power. 496, 453. You're still at 36 degrees total, kind of?
No, we're at 34 now.
34, okay.
Yeah. I think it helps you at 34.
All right, boys, we're gonna make another hit here, see what we can do. Change it all?
Well, I set it at 6600 as a cutoff.
Oh, okay.
If it doesn't see it, it won't shut down and run.
Ah, I got you. She hits good. Real good. That's 500 club right there. All right.
Something that we learned as far as
final pull, boys. We're gonna pull 2 more degrees out here. All right, boys. Final pull. Let's see what she does here.
13.7, 13.8, 13.6. It never touched 14 by mine.
Yeah, that's a bit, just a touch, but that don't mean nothing. I mean,
Right.
it's at the tailpipe, so
Yeah.
if you got any leaks anywhere, it could.
I still
throw
think it
this
needs a
on.
couple of bit sizes though.
Not bad at
That
all.
was that one on 32 degrees right there?
That time was 32.
And
Then that time was 34.
that's 34.
They make it like 34 a little better. But, you know.
5 foot-pounds, so. Once they
But,
put
I
some
mean-
fuel in it, it's gonna come on up some more.
Race fuel.
Jet it up.
Oh,
Get
we're
the
talking
damn
about
air fuel right.
And race fuel, why not?
You throw some time in it.
Yeah.
36
Put
degrees.
a little C10 in it, bump the timing back up. Alright, boy, just poking around in the shop a little bit. Had to check this beast out. That is the new Gen 3R. Looks like they're doing a new pulley and tensioner and all that. But my God, this thing. Got the billet specialties on it. And some tire. Freaking beast. Yeah, I guarantee you this thing's a lot of fun. Man. Need one of those on mine. Alright, you got more goodies out back. Oh man, nothing like an $8,000 set of wheels, right? Oh man, no way.
6.2 D1. Should make
Huh.
about 650.
Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun.
All right. When he called us and asked us about it, he said, I just want this and this and this. I was like, all right, cool. And I thought we were just gonna put it in.
Yeah.
And it gets here and I was like, man, this is a project.
God, yeah,
It's
this
gonna be a
is
start to finish.
that's a
Gauges and everything.
D1 SC. Yeah, freaking crazy. Did he tell you how much these freaking wheels were?
No, but I got an idea.
I think they're like 3,000-4,000 a piece, depending on the size. I mean, they're all billet. Those Ford Giottos are crazy, man. This is a badass truck though. TMI interior too.
Oh yeah. It's the coolest looking interior I've seen in one of these cars.
Wow. Is he doing like the Dakota digital gauges and all that?
Well, we may do Dakota or we may do the Holly stuff.
Yeah.
Since we are putting a Holly system on it.
Yeah, that'd be cool too. Man, those seats are freaking awesome.
I know it, right? They set good.
Love it. Yeah, I need to make sure I'm watching out for this thing. Good day for a ride, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, guys. So you know we couldn't see the dyno pulls without getting some ride-alongs and some flybys. Maybe a burnout. What do you think?
I like my tires. We might do a little burn.
Oh, come on, just one burn.
We'll do
Just
this
one
one.
burn. Yeah. All right, boys. We're gonna do a little. You gonna do a dig?
Yeah.
Gonna do a little dig hit here. Second.
Runs pretty shitty, so I don't know
Yeah.
how well
And we just rolled into it, guys. I'm still blown away how good the Dyno's up on the street. Like, kill my ET streets. A little heat in it.
That's all it needs. Dittos work great.
All right, gents.
Here we go.
Oh, God, that feels friggin' phenomenal. All right, we're headed again. there you go. Mark, how you feeling, dude? Car's all
Feel great.
It's locked in, it's ready.
Yep.
Making all kinds of power. What a freaking fun day. The 363 is a beast. And the cool thing too is like our cars are very similar because they're streetable cars with a lot of power. They still have air conditioning and all that. You can have fun with them, you know. We're not out cruising race cars. But so yeah.
Cars built to drive.
Exactly. And enjoy. But guys, real quick, the horsepower factor, we're in the Henderson, Tennessee area. There is the phone number. Hit up Alan. They specialize in the LS stuff, but they're kind of getting into the Coyote stuff too. If you're in the Henderson, Tennessee area, these guys got the Mustang dyno. If you want to do some dyno stuff, I mean, you can be here from Memphis in an hour, so definitely check them out. And again, fist bump, Mark.
That's it.
We'll be seeing you again. We got another car to check out.
Yep. Yeah, we got the brothers car. It's a slick car too.
Yep.
Can't wait to be able to see you.
We can't divulge too much or you won't watch the video, but we'll be seeing Mark again very soon. In the meantime, if you like big inch 363 strokers making 500 horsepower to the tires, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll be back.
That's it.
We got more. Later, guys.